This is a demonstration of how to use the spill-proof locking lid on the Presto Nomad Traveling Slow Cooker. With both hands, begin by lifting the handle to the upright locked carrying position. Use a swift, sharp movement to push the handle back about 15 degrees. You will both hear and feel the handle locking mechanism disengage. Continue pushing the handle all the way to the back of the unit to open the cover. When moving the handle from the upright locked position to the forward locked position, pull the handle forward about 15 degrees using a swift, sharp motion. You will hear and feel the handle locking mechanism disengage. Continue rotating the handle all the way forward to lock the unit with the handle down. Now it's sealed, secure. For more information, visit gopresto.com.